So Jackie, let's say I coded something, but there's something missing and I want to put something into my code.
Yeah, right.
What do I do?
So sometimes you can make a mistake.
Right.
After you finish the coding, then, I forgot to put or insert another card to your previous coding, right? Or sometimes you want to delete the card. That's why, for this case, I want to introduce special card. Insert,
Double-sided.
delete. Okay. So insert, yes, you can insert the card, delete, and you can take whatever you want. So, one thing I want to tell you, this one is quite important because this was one of the case. Move forward, and turn left and end. So let's say I just want to insert between these two move forward.
Yes.
I want to ask a question.
They're both move forwards, identical. How do I know which move forward to choose?
Exactly. Two things. The first one, the answer is, even it's the same move forward card, the pattern, do you remember? GENIBOT OID sensor can read the tiny pattern, but the pattern is different. We cannot figure out how much is different, but we can put the different name of the Bluetooth name.
Hen and bear.
Correct. So we can easily figure out even same move forward card is different card. That's what also GENIBOT can figure out which one is which one. So let's try to do two cases. First,
Okay.
before you finish the coding, you remember, I forgot to insert this music note, right? Or sometimes after you finish the coding, then you want to put or insert the card.
Yes.
Two cases you can do. So I want to show you how to insert. Basically, there are two different cases. The first one, after you finish coding, then, I remember to insert card.
Right.
Second, before you finish, but you already used a lot of cards and tried to insert card, right? So two cases is possible. You can insert whatever you want the card. So I want to show you both of them first. This one is
coding start, move forward, turn right, coding end.
and turn right. Okay.
Okay.
And then I want to insert this la using note between these two move forward like this. How? Insert.
Okay.
So insert, touch, and then you can touch the card if you want to insert la in front of this card, right?
Okay.
Then insert. I show you. Insert.
Insert, move forward, insert.
That means like that. Am I right? So do again. Press the button.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So what about before you finish? You can insert. Can you show me?
Going along, and then
You can touch like this, but before you finish, then you can use this insert, pen card like this, then insert and finish.
If I do this right now, are we going to have two laws?
No.
No?
This one is a new one because when you touch the start card, it's the this one is kind of like a new command. So Aaron, before you finish, then you can also insert. Can you try?
Okay. So I'm starting along.
Coding start, move forward, turn right.
You forgot.
God, I wanted to add it music.
Correct. Then don't worry.
So I haven't finished yet.
Yes. So insert.
Insert.
Move forward, insert.
And then finish.
Coding
And now,
Excellent. Change as you go along too.
that's right. Only the card you can insert. Two cases, before you finish or after you finish. Okay. So if you understand how to use insert, then delete is a piece of cake.
All right.
You want to try?
Yes.
Okay. Here, this case, I just want to take out la.
Good. Maybe I can intuitively figure it out.
So after you finish the coding, then you just delete la.
So we'll pretend the coding's already finished. It's inside.
Correct.
GENIBOT.
Oh, no, no. What's, show again.
Show again?
Yeah, touch.
Coding start. Move forward. Move forward. Turn right. Coding end.
Move forward. La. Yes, good job. But Aaron, I don't like the music. Can you take out or delete the music?
The music was no good. So a little unlike insert where you have to identify where you want to put something in, delete, you only have to take out what you don't want.
Correct.
So delete, take the music out.
that means we out. Oh, and then press the button. Then move forward. Wow.
There we go.
Fantastic. Yes. So for the delete function is very simple. You can just touch whatever you want, right? Can I delete one more card for me? Okay, let's try. Delete.
Delete. Move forward. Delete.
Then maybe this one should be like this, right?
Yes.
And then, wow.
Good.
Good. Okay, so this time we learn how to insert and delete, and also how to use the function card together. What do you think about it, this kind of event card?
These are really strong coding cards for teaching programming and coding for young learners.
Especially for the unplugged activity, because when you use these kind of functions, for other robots, they use the application or programming on the laptop or desktop. But for GENIBOT, we can use only for the card, where we can insert, delete, and you can use the function card all together.
Right.